Valentine's Day, I don't like it. I don't want it. And
How much money you think a man should have spent on Valentine's Day?
they don't have to.
So you think about the man then will say they not celebrate Valentine's?
I don't really celebrate it myself. So I'm just like, no, because, okay, so this is my take, right? Valentine's Day, I think it's just like a money making thing. You know what I mean? So it's like, I feel like, you have couples that don't even look at each other, don't even gift each other throughout the year or, any kind of romantic thing or anything like that. But because of this one day, they feel obligated. So they're going to come with their fakeness. So you know what I mean? But if I have a man that like actually treat me throughout the year, and then come this day and they be like, hey, you know what? I'm not celebrate this, I'm not do this, then I'm okay with that. You know what I mean? Me myself always says that Valentine's Day, I don't like it, I don't want it. And I think the reason why I said that is because I had an experience where the person did not even care about doing anything for me, and then comes this day, he's just gonna be like, oh, it's Valentine's Day, let me just pick up something and give it. But if I'm with someone, right, that says like, this is important to me, it'll be important to me as well. But this whole Valentine thing to me is like, I feel like it's just a scam. Yeah.
So basically you would have say a man not to feel bad within himself then if him can't buy a woman gift for Valentine's Day.
He shouldn't feel bad, especially if he try, especially if he's a provider already. You know what I mean? Throughout the year and so forth. So he shouldn't feel bad about it. However, you do have someone that's mean and cheap. So in that case, I'm gonna be like, so wait a minute, like, okay, it's Valentine's. Not me personally, right? I'm generally speaking. So it's Valentine's Day, and you just not do nothing, like, because some man not motivated, some of them just mean, outright mean. So that's where the issue would come in. But for some of we women, we just ridiculous. You know what I mean? The man is a provider. The man will do everything he can do, and it's like, okay, it's Valentine's Day, and just because your friends are, you see the whole hype or everything like that, you're gonna knock the man and drive the man crazy. It don't make no sense.
All right.
You know?
Last question now. All right. Say you have your partner. Say him not buy no gift, but however you have one guy out there will like you and things, and decide say yo, I'm gonna get you a gift. Would you accept that gift?
No, that's disrespectful to my partner. Yeah. So yeah, I won't.
So you that's a Valentine's overrated.
Very much overrated. It's a scam. Look at all of that. And you know what I noticed too? Like I was telling him, I was like, everywhere you walk is something for women. And you have to like really creep. And the reason why it's like me empower everybody, me empower woman and me empower man too, just because me have 3 sons. So me kind of like split justice, and I'm just like, where is the Valentine's gift for the man them?
So you would have said men are not celebrated enough on days like these.
They are not. And that's not fair, because although I said that you have some man that's mean and you have some man that don't do anything for women, because I experience it myself, you do have a lot that does. And it's and not only that, they are forced to. And they feel like they feel obligated by the woman that they have to. You know what I mean? So make people be themselves. That's it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.